Hi and welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11 without losing any of your data or files. And we're going to be using official Microsoft ISO file. And we're going to bypass the checks with a simple command and install Windows 11 without losing no files. Follow carefully. First off, we're going to head over to our search here and we're going to type in CMD. Right click on that, run as administrator. Yes. And type in win the and hit enter. We're Windows 10 on this PC. First thing we're going to have to do is need to find out what version of Windows 10 you have on your computer. So we're going to go down to the search and we're going to type in CMD. And then we're going to right click on command prompt and run as administrator. Just type in the following into your command prompt and hit enter. What we want to find out is default system UI language, ENGB. The UI language fallback is ENUS. So when we come to download our ISO from Microsoft, we need to know what version we're downloading. So close this window, head over to Microsoft, go to Downloads Windows 11, scroll all the way down, and you want to select Download Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO. Just select that. Then come down to Download Now. Now this here is the important part. And as you can see, we've got English United States International, but we're going to go with English United States. Go confirm, and then click on that to start downloading. Once that's downloaded, head over to your downloads, and then right click and go mount. What you need to do, this will open the ISO file as a virtual DVD drive. And I want you to select everything in here, right click, copy, come down to the side here and go local disk C. This is your C drive for Windows. Click on it. I want you to right click in here, go new folder, type in Windows 11, hit enter, double click on that folder, right click, paste, let everything be copied into this folder here. Once that's complete, I want you to take note where this folder is. C drive, Windows 11, keep that in mind. So if we go into that folder, C drive Windows 11, and that's what's in our folder. Close this window, go back down to the search magnifying glass, type in CMD, now right click, run as administrator again, press yes. I want you to type in CD, backslash, enter, that'll take you to the C drive root directory, then go CD, type in Windows 11, hit enter. We're inside that folder now. Now I want you to type in the following command, exactly how it is. Type in setup.exe space / product space server, and then hit enter. And now wait for it to launch the installer. You can download your updates after it's installed. If you leave this, it will download updates before it installs, and it will take a very long time. So go into here. Go not right now. Go next. The installer will now check your PC and start to get things ready. Hit accept. Now, once you've got to this window, you know that the installer has accepted the Windows 10 installation, and regardless of your CPU or TPM, we've just bypassed that check. So we're going to keep Files, Settings, and Apps. Hit Next. Here you go. Ready to install. Install Windows 11 Pro. Keep Files, Settings, and Apps. Now we can hit Install. It says installing Windows Server, but it's actually installing Windows 11. Your PC may restart a few times. Once you get back to the logon screen, log on with your original password that you used. Let it run through the process. Once it's done, you should see the Windows 11 desktop. Just skip all this stuff, hit accept. And as you can see, we're in Windows 11 desktop here. Go to the search bar here. Go to and type in WinVer. Hit enter. And as you can see, we're running the latest version of Windows 11 Pro. Go back to the start. Go to settings. Go activation. And as you can see, your Windows is activated with a digital license. If you sign into your Windows account, Microsoft account, this digital license will be assigned to your computer and to your username and account. If you want to change the key, you can go in here, change your key if you want, but there's no need. It's automatically activated. Get a Windows update. Everything works. For some reason you want to uninstall this, go to recovery, and you have about 10 days. If you want to go back to your Windows 10 installation, you have 10 days, and this will disappear after 10 days and you will not be able to uninstall the Windows 11 update. But there you have it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I've got more content coming on its way.